Best Buy's early Black Friday sale is live, and the discounts are already rolling in. Here you'll find amazing deals on popular brands with massive dropped prices. And in this video, we're focusing on the best discounts on top-rated products, so you can be sure you're getting a great deal. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 20, French Door Smart Refrigerator. Save up to 50%, now priced at $1,199, down from the original price of $2,399. This Whirlpool 25.2 cubic feet French Door Smart Refrigerator offers plenty of storage for a family, with humidity-controlled drawers keeping fruits and veggies fresh. The elevated deli drawer makes meats and cheeses easy to find, and the built-in water dispenser provides filtered water on demand. Adjustable shelves and two-tier freezer bins help organize larger and frozen items efficiently. Energy Star certified with LED lighting. Number 19, TCL 75-inch, now priced at $599, down from the original price of $1,199, saving up to 50%. The TCL QM5K offers stunning visuals with precise LD 500 dimming for deep blacks and vibrant QLED colors. HDR brightness enhances every movie, show, or game, while 4K Ultra HD captures intricate details. Gamers will enjoy lag-free play with 144 VRR and auto game mode. Its Onkyo 2.1 speakers deliver rich, immersive sound, and smart features like Google TV, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, and voice control makes streaming and navigation effortless. Number 18, Shark Stick Vacuum, now priced at $149. The listed price was $299, saving about 50%. This powerful vacuum offers powerful suction for everyday cleaning for high traffic areas. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, it's great for quick and easy cleaning. Its low profile design allows it to fit under furniture, and the removable hand vac makes above floor cleaning a breeze. The extra large dust cup with Clean Touch technology lets you dispose of dirt hands-free. Plus, the LED headlights help you spot hidden debris. Number 17, KitchenAid Mixer, now priced at $299, down from $499, saving around 40%, a great deal compared to the original price. This mixer gives you twice the power in the bowl for heavy-duty mixing, like thick dough. Its 3-point locking system keeps the bowl super stable. With 11 speeds, including a half speed, you get perfect control. It's built to handle absolutely everything. Plus, explore over 10 attachments to boost your creativity. Get this kitchen upgrade while it's on sale. Number 16, Bella Pro Smart Crisp. Now it's priced at $59, down from $129, saving you about 55%. Here's a versatile kitchen helper that can cook enough food. It has a large basket that can hold over 6 pounds of food and has a safe, non-stick ceramic coating free from harmful chemicals. The touchscreen offers one-touch options like air fry, bake, reheat, and more. It even has a shake reminder to help your food get perfectly crispy. It uses little to no oil, cutting fat by about 75% compared to traditional frying. Number 15, Electric Kick Scooter, now priced at $499, down from the original price of $999, saving up to 50%. This 9-bot kick scooter Max G30P excels with a drivetrain that climbs slopes up to 20%, while rear-wheel drive enhances stability and acceleration. Its 2.5 watts LED headlight increases visibility, and the built-in charger powers a full charge in 6 hours. Easily switch between eco, standard, and sports modes on the LED dashboard, with a foldable frame, spacious anti-slip baseboard. Number 14, Greenworks Electric Pressure. On this deal, you can save over 50%. Now it's priced at $99, down from $220. Now we have got a pressure washer by Greenworks, and it's surprisingly powerful. Its strong motor can handle light to medium cleaning tasks like washing cars, patio furniture, and decks with ease. I love the push-button start, no pull cords or priming required, making it very user-friendly. It's lightweight, quiet, and easy to store. The 20-foot hose with onboard nozzle storage keeps everything organized, and the bonus turbo nozzle and 11-inch surface cleaner make tough spots simple to tackle. Number 13, Anker SOLIX C1000X. Originally, it was priced at $550, down from $350, which mean a 40% of discount. This little powerhouse is an absolute must-have for any trip. For both if you're camping under the stars, tailgating, or need backup when the lights go out, this thing has you covered. It holds enough juice, a massive 1056 watt-hours, so you can stop worrying about dead batteries. It has 11 different ports, so you can plug in practically everything all at once. It's your dependable energy source ready for anything. Number 12. Professional Plus Blender. Save up to 41%, now priced at $99, down from the original price of $169. The Professional Plus Blender Duo with Auto IQ combines a modern design with a stronger motor for effortless blending. Its total crushing and pro extractor blades crush ice and extract nutrients for smoothies, frozen drinks, and healthy beverages. The 72-ounce pitcher handles large batches, while single-serve cups let you enjoy drinks on the move. Number 11. Electric Convection, now priced at $829, down from the original price of $1,539, saving up to 46%. This oven offers even heat true convection for evenly cooked golden brown meals. With 6.4 cubic feet of space, it easily handles multiple dishes, while 5 versatile cooking elements including dual zones and a warming section give maximum flexibility. The Easy Convex system takes the guesswork out of convection cooking. Additional features like a storage drawer, hidden bake element, and the AquaLift system make cleaning and kitchen organization simple and efficient. Number 10. GoTrax Folding e-bike, now priced at $499, down from the original price of $899, saving up to 45%. This e-bike combines convenience and performance with quick digital readouts for speed, battery, and controls. Its foldable frame makes it portable enough to store in a car or under a desk. Riders can use 5 pedal assist levels or throttle, reaching 7 to 20 miles per hour, while 20-inch fat tires handle varied terrain. Dual brakes provide reliable stopping power. Number 9. DoubleUp Oven, now priced at $119, down from the original price of $299, saving up to 60%. This dual oven system delivers fast, even cooking with independent or synced operation. The top infrared oven handles toast, bake, broil, and more, while the bottom convection oven offers air frying, pizza, and dehydration functions. Features like an integrated probe thermometer, 60-minute timers, multifunction control knob, and interior lighting ensure precision and convenience. Number 8. Nespresso Coffee Maker. Save up to 38%, now priced at $99, down from the original price of $159. This coffee maker offers 5 coffee and espresso sizes, from small 5-ounce cups to double espressos, hot or iced. Its compact design includes a removable 25 fluid-ounce water tank for easy refills, one-touch brewing, a 30-second heat-up, adjustable drip tray, and desk scaling alerts make daily use effortless. Enjoy smooth, full-bodied coffee topped with creamy foam. Number 7. Honiture Cordless Vacuum, now priced at $129, down from the original price of $349, saving up to 63%. Experience efficient cleaning with this 45 kilopascal cordless vacuum, offering strong suction for carpets and hard floors. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted runtime, while the removable battery adds flexibility for longer sessions. Its self-standing 3-in-1 design adapts to different cleaning tasks, from floors to furniture, and the less-in-weight stick body ensures easy maneuvering and handling. Number 6. Inkjet Printer. Save up to 47%, now priced at $79, down from the original price of $149. The Envy Inkjet makes home printing simple and precise, handling homework, photos, and everyday documents with crisp results. HPAI automatically cleans up layouts for flawless prints. Features include color printing, scanning, copying, auto two-sided printing, a 2.4-inch touchscreen, and reliable dual-band Wi-Fi make operation easy, while HPP3 technology ensures true-to-screen colors. Number 5. Security Camera, now priced at $24, down from the original price of $49, saving up to 50%. This HD camera delivers wide-angle video with HDR for enhanced clarity. Connect through the app to watch live streams or review recorded events from anywhere. Dual-band Wi-Fi keeps the connection stable, while Bluetooth setup and a magnetic mount make installation effortless. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, it operates smoothly in conditions from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, providing reliable garage monitoring year-round. Number 4. AirPods Pro 2. Save up to 40%, now priced at $149, down from the original price of $249. AirPods Pro 2 combines advanced hearing features with premium sound, offering a hearing test, clinical-grade hearing aid, and active hearing protection. Adaptive noise cancellation and transparency modes keep you in control, while the H2 chip ensures highs and deep bass. Custom silicone tips provide a secure fit, and IP54 rated dust, sweat, and water resistance makes them versatile. Personalized spatial audio, intuitive touch controls, and long battery life with a smart charging case deliver a fully immersive, convenient experience. Number 3. Robot Vacuum, now priced at $299, down from the original price of $699, saving up to 57%. Shark's Robot Vacuum delivers deep, automated cleaning with powerful suction and sonic mopping for carpets and hard floors. Its Matrix Clean system covers every inch, while Clean Edge Detect tackles corners and edges. HEPA filtration traps allergens, and the self-cleaning brush roll picks up pet hair effortlessly. Precision LiDAR mapping adapts to your home, and recharge and resume ensures uninterrupted cleaning. Number 2. Tub Dishwasher, save up to 51%, now priced at $559, down from the original price of $1,129. With more than 40 targeted wash jets, this dishwasher delivers full coverage across 3 racks, cleaning dishes without pre-rinsing. Its design fits extra mugs, bowls, and tall items, while the 3rd level jet rack tackles coffee mugs and utensils. The triple filtration system removes food particles, keeping wash water clean for consistently spotless results. Number 1. HP Laptop, save up to 56%, now priced at $219, down from the original price of $499. This laptop delivers crisp visuals with its HD anti-glare display and DC dimming for comfortable, flicker-free viewing. Equipped with an Intel Core i3-N305 processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage, it handles multitasking and 4K streaming smoothly. Windows 11 in S mode keeps your system secure, while Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, HP Fast Charge, AI noise reduction, and Microsoft Copilot make productivity, video calls, and creative work easier and more efficient. So that's all for this video. Let us know in the comments which one of these deals are you picking. Hope you already liked this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.